today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem, know how you can do that on your little menu app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list, and here you're looking for little menu app, or just click here on search. Then here at little menu, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop, click on all. So you click here when sorry, we will go back. We will go back here. You search here for idle miner. It's going to show for you like this. You click on it. So then you come to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.